Meet the tag! Most players would die here, but I'm not most players.
Dude, I'll bet that I'm the biggest bird, bro. Like,
did you like it? Did you think you'd actually kill me?
Bud. You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready? Toothless! Oh no! Woo! Well, that really came out of nowhere.
Conversing with these beautiful sea creatures is like
Oh,
talking
you
to anyone a little
kitty.
different. Just takes open and respect.
Woo! Well, that really came out of nowhere. We gotta work on your solo gliding there, bud. That locked up tail makes for some pretty sloppy rescue maneuvers, hey? Ah, looks like we found another one, bud. Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? We'll try this on. Oh, you feeling it yet? Huh? Picking up on all my heartfelt remorse? Oh, come on. Yeah, you wouldn't hurt a one-legged. Oh, you're right. You win. He's down. Oh, and it's ugly. Dragons and Vikings. Enemies again. Locked in combat to the bitter. You know that doesn't wash out. So, what should we name it? itchy armpit it is. What do you reckon, bud? Think we might find a few timberjacks in those woods? The odd whispering death or two in the rocks? Who knows? Maybe we'll finally track down another night fury. Wouldn't that be something? So what do you say? Just keep going?